Stacy from Let's Cook, y'all. Welcome back to our channel. Today's video is a little short one that I wanted to put out here of a few things that we've tried lately in our Instant Pot. Normally these are things that I include if they're a full recipe in their own video, or if they're a little something that I've tried, I include them in our around the house videos. I thought I would put them in a separate video because I know a lot of people that come to our channel and support us, which we're very, very grateful for, are not interested in Instant Pot or electric pressure cooking, but some of you are, so here's a little video. If you're new to our channel, welcome. We cook a lot of different things, some things on the stove, in the oven, on the grill, in the crock pot, and lately with our new gadget, the Instant Pot. So if you're interested in those, I will link everything that we have shared on our channel down below. Just check the description box below for links to both full recipes and things that I've mentioned in our other videos. So here is a couple things that we've tried lately in our Instant Pot. If you have one or an electric pressure cooker and you like it or you're interested in getting one, leave us a comment and let us know. Let us know what you like to cook in yours or something you're wanting to try. I'm still trying a whole lot of new stuff and experimenting and having a blast with it. As always, thanks so much for stopping by our channel. Let's Cook, y'all. I hope you'll like, comment, and subscribe if you hadn't already. Have a wonderful and blessed day, y'all. Bye. All right, I'm trying something different in my Instant Pot. I have always made potato salad on the stovetop. I'll dirty up one dish to boil the potatoes in, another, not so bad, to do the eggs in, but I've been seeing all over Pinterest that supposedly you can cook the eggs and the potatoes together in the Instant Pot. So I'm gonna try that. I got a cup to a cup and a half of water in the bottom, my OXO colander steamer, and I just cut the potatoes up. I did leave the peels on, which they said to peel them, but I like the peels. And the eggs are raw in the shell. I just rinsed them off, and I'm gonna try to cook them and see how they do. So far so good. It took the Instant Pot about 14 minutes to come to pressure and then 4 minutes to cook. And the potatoes, I stuck a fork in them. They are fork tender. And I'm gonna fish out the eggs and put them in an ice bath and then make my potato salad. I've said it in previous videos, one of the things to me that the Instant Pot does best is hard-boiled eggs. These are pretty perfect, and I think my potato salad is going to be pretty good. My secret ingredient is this Morton's Nature Seasoning. I really like it in potato salad. I'm also going to try ribs in the Instant Pot for the first time to steam them, and then I've read that you can take them out and broil them in the oven. We're going to try throwing them on the grill. I've got a combination of water and root beer in the bottom. I liberally seasoned the rack of pork baby back ribs. Looks like I probably should have done 2 racks, but I didn't want to ruin the ribs in case they didn't come out since I'm still experimenting, but we're gonna give this a shot. I think I'm gonna try high pressure for about 25 minutes and then let it natural release, and then we'll throw them on the grill with some barbecue sauce and hope for the best. All right, tonight we're trying something new in the Instant Pot. I've got a little springform pan that I bought to make cheesecakes with. I have yet to try it. Mine is a 7-inch pan, and I have layered flour tortillas, refried beans, meat mixture, which is now all in there. I split it into thirds. I made 3 layers, and then shredded cheese. So I've got 3 layers of tortilla, beans, meat, and cheese, and I think I'm gonna cover it with foil, and then it goes 10 minutes in the Instant Pot, and we'll see. I might need to put it under the broiler, but it might be fine when it comes out. We'll see how this one goes. All right, 10 minutes in the Instant Pot and a quick release. And it looks pretty good. We'll see how it tastes. I think I did not say that my mixed mixture, I mixed some salsa with it. I didn't measure. Actually, I didn't measure anything. I just kind of eyeballed everything, but it's tortilla, refried beans, meat mixed with probably anything, diced tomatoes, salsa, picante sauce, anything you'd want to use, and then whatever kind of cheese you want. Hopefully it tastes good. That's another one. Hopefully a thumbs up. I'll leave a comment or a caption below. This is what it looks like out of the springform pan. Just got to cut it and taste it. It looks pretty good.